company is hiring to fill 4 managerial vacancies. The candidates are 5 men and 3 women. If every candidate is equally likely to be chosen, then the probability that at least one woman will be selected is dash. Now we need to round off to 2 decimal places the solution. Let us see the solution. It is given that there are totally 5 men. It is also given that there are totally 3 women. Out of this 8, 4 managerial vacancies are available. So out of this 8, 4 people have to be selected to fill those 4 managerial vacancies. Right? We need to find out probability that at least one woman is selected. In the question, it is clearly given that there are totally 3 number of women and we are asked to find for at least one woman. It indicates that one woman can be selected out of 3, 2 women can be selected out of 3, and all the 3 women can be selected out of 3 for the 4 managerial vacancies. So probability that at least one woman is selected is probability of one woman being selected plus probability of 2 women being selected plus probability of 3 women being selected. Right? On writing probability of one woman selected out of 3 women and the remaining guys have to be filled from men. So doing that, simplifying, we will get 3C1 means that from 3 women, 1 woman is selected and the remaining 3 vacancies are filled from 5 men, divided by 8C4. 8C4 indicates that out of 8 total people, 4 people have to be selected. Plus probability of 2 women selected is 3C2 into 5C2 by 8C4 and 3C3 into 5C1 by 8C4. We know that NCR is the formula having n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Upon applying that formula here, we will get the terms as 3 by 7 plus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. Upon further simplification, we get the required probability as 0.93. So the probability that at least one woman is selected out of 8 for 4 managerial vacancies is 0.93. Alright, let's see the answer range given. It is from 0.90 to 0.95.